Hello guys, in this video we will see what is server disconnected error in Counter-Strike and how to fix it. Fail to connect to official servers error in Counter-Strike. How to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Simple. Understand the errors and perform basic restarts. Content server disconnected and fail to connect to official servers. Errors in Counter-Strike typically indicate a breakdown in communication between your game client and the game servers. This can stem from a variety of sources, including local network problems, corrupted game files, or server-side issues. Begin troubleshooting by performing fundamental restarts. First, fully close Counter-Strike and restart the Steam client. If the issue persists, reboot your entire. These basic steps can often resolve temporary software glitches, refresh network connections, and clear minor conflicts that might be preventing a successful server connection.
Step: verify game files and internet connectivity. Content corrupted or missing game files are a frequent cause of connection failures. Open your Steam library, right-click on Counter-Strike, select Properties, navigate to the Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then scan your game installation for any discrepancies and automatically repair them simultaneously. It's crucial to confirm the stability and functionality of your internet connection. Perform a speed test using an online tool to check your download, upload, and ping values. Also ensure other internet-dependent applications or websites are loading correctly. If you are using Wi-Fi, try connecting directly to your router via an Ethernet cable to rule out wireless interference or instability.
Step: troubleshoot network hardware and firewall. Content your router and firewall are critical components that can block its ability to connect to servers. Start by power cycling your router and modem. Unplug them from their power source for at least 2 seconds. Then plug them back in and wait for them to fully restart. This simple step often resolves minor network device issues. Next, inspect your Windows firewall settings or any third-party antivirus firewall software you may use. Ensure the Counter-Strike and the Steam client are explicitly allowed to communicate through the firewall. If you are unsure, temporarily disable your firewall for a brief test. If this resolves the issue, you must then add proper exceptions for SUS and Steam rather than leaving the firewall disabled. Also temporarily disable any ignore proxy services, as these can sometimes interfere with game server connections.
Step: with flushed-ins, reset network settings, and update drivers. Content audited or corrupted bins caches can hinder proper server resolution. To address this, open command prompt as an administrator and execute the command config flushes. This clears your DIN's resolver cache. Follow this by a config release and a config renew to obtain a fresh IP address. Additionally, consider performing a network reset in Windows. Go to Settings, Network, Internet, Advanced Network Settings, Network Reset, and click Reset. Now this will reinstall your network adapters and reset various networking components to their default settings. Finally, ensure that your network adapter drivers, both Ethernet and Wi-Fi and graphics drivers, are fully updated, as outdated drivers can sometimes contribute to connection instability or unusual errors.
Step: check server status and contact support. Content. If all previous troubleshooting steps have failed, the problem might be external to your system, potentially residing with Valve's game servers. Consult official Counter-Strike social media accounts, Twitter, or reputable third-party server status websites such as Down Detector to check for widespread reports of server outages, maintenance, or regional connectivity issues. If a global or regional server problem is identified, your only solution is to wait for Valve to resolve the issue. If servers appear to be operational for others and you are still experiencing persistent connection failures, meticulously document the exact error messages you receive and all troubleshooting steps you have already attempted. Then submit a detailed support ticket to Steam support for further assistance.